This week on Focus Friday, Unitek just in. USB Type-C power delivery 3.1 charging cable. This PD charging cable complies with PD 3.1 specs and upgrades the power supply under the USB PD protocol to 48 volts and 5 amps, from 100 watts to a whopping 240 watts. The product features include a 240 watt fast charger. Pair it up with a compatible charger to power up your device up to 240 watts. Nylon braided cable, so it's strong and yet elastic nylon material to ensure cable durability. Supports data transfer up to 480 megabits per second, which is amazing. A 2-meter cable length, charge your convenience with a 2-meter long cable. And finally, an e-marker inside. So the built-in e-marker chipset ensures safe charging. Some examples of this whopping 240 watt fast charging include charging a MacBook Pro 2021 to 88% in 35 minutes. Charging an iPad Pro 2021 to 92% in 35 minutes. And charging a Galaxy S20 Ultra to, again, 92% in 35 minutes. That's the power of 240 watts. The SolidForce Plus USB Type-C to PCIe, NVMe, M.2 solid-state drive enclosure, plus a SATA 3 adapter for offline cloning. So let's look at it in more detail. So it's USB 3.2 Gen 2, and 10 gigabits per second super speed.
I like that.
Okay. So it uses both M.2 and SATA 3. And for offline, it has interclone. Supports UASP and trim. And if you look at it, it's made from an aluminium alloy housing with a compact design and a completely free tool installation. Just makes your life completely that much easier. Okay, so let's look in more detail. So as an enclosure, it has multi-size M.2 solid-state drive compatibility. So you have your standard 42, your standard 60, and finally 80. NVMe, M.2 solid-state, and SATA hard drive and solid-state can be functioning simultaneously. Offline clone is bi-directional via the mode switching, so the clone switching will be indicated by LEDs, so you will always be aware of what's happening. The high thermal conductivity of the aluminium housing allows for heat dissipation for long-lasting use.